Well, look at this. She works. I think that's the slow speed. Let me put on, that was the green and black. Now this is the black. Yeah, that's the black. And you can hear it kind of jankety. I'm going to put some lubrication on the shaft. But all I did is kind of orient you. This is the motor on its side. And this right here is the brush in its little housing. And all I did was take that out. And then I resoldered right there. You can see that area. I just resoldered that right there, here. And then on the other side, moving right over to the other side, again, there's the brush, and here's where I soldered, right there. And Bob's your uncle. Now this was a little bit loose, that area here, so I suppose that could have been it. I'm wondering if these brushes might have been stuck in their little holder. They were worn. I think they were, see, 25 hundredths of an inch by about 32 hundredths of an inch. The number stamped on the brush is 32, so I'm assuming that meant 32 hundredths of an inch this way. Like I said, this way is about a quarter inch or 0.25, at least by my measurement, more or less. So there you have it, something to try for when somebody tells you you got one of these motors that you can't service. Give it a shot. Now, there's a little wick here. I did fill up that wick, and then this one down here too, with some really fine motor oil. I use it for my stuff. It's a real fine, by motor I mean like a sewing machine motor and stuff like that. So there you have it. Hopefully that'll last another 50 years.